Let's discuss question number 2. Diagram, okay, 2 shows 3 wooden sticks on which nails are placed. Nails, with the condition that nails are arranged in a line. So we have nails in one line. We have another nails in another line. We have 3 lines. So for first line, we have 4 nails. First line, we have 4 nails. And then for the second, we have 3 nails. And for the third one, we have 2 nails. All right. So a piece of rope is tied to the nails of each stick to form a polygon. How many polygon shapes can be produced? How many shapes can be produced? All right. Hence, state the shape of the polygon that can be produced. Actually, we can form many shapes. All right. Let's study this diagram. So let's say I choose the green one. I must choose at least 2 according to the question. The condition is at least 2 nails to each other, right? So let's see, we're going to choose 2 nails from each other, at least 2. The key word is at least 2. So we start from the green one. We have 4C2. I can have 4C3. I can have 4C4, or the 4. All right. For the red one, because only 2, so it's a must to have 2C2. It's compulsory, at least 2. All right. And then for the blue one, is at least 2, so we can say we can choose 3C2, we can choose 3C3, at least 2. So we can form many combinations. So let's write down the possibility. So for sure we will use, let's write down the answer. So the answer will be, we choose 4C2, we times with the 3C2, and then 2C2 is a must. There's one combination, the purple color combination. So we write down here, first one is 4C2 multiplied by 3C2 multiplied by 2C2, right? Then we can have 4C2, okay, 3C3 and 2C2. So the second one is 4C2 3C3 times 2C2, right? This is, first one is 2. So the third one, we will choose 4C3. If I'm going to start with 4C3, then I can have 3C2, right? 2C2, this is the only one. Okay, or I can say, the fourth case is I have 4C3, right? But I choose 3C3. And of course here we will choose again 2C2 because it's compulsory to choose at least 2 nails from each of the board. Okay, now we have other combination. Let's see the case number 5. Case number 5 is we are going to choose 4C4. If I'm choosing 4C4, I can choose 3C2, right? And 2C2 for sure, this one. I can say I have 4C4 times 3C3 times 2C2. So we have all the 6 possibility. Alright, so if we multiply the first one, plus, we have the plus, the second one, plus with the multiply this one, we have the plus. Plus with this, plus, plus, multiply, plus, all the 6, the answer that you will get will be 44. So let's write in a row. We have the answer in a row. So 4C2 times 3C2 times 2C2 plus 4C2 times 3C3 times 2C2 plus 4C3 times 3C2 times 2C2 plus 4C3 times 3C3 times 2C2 plus the other two, 4C4, 3C2, 4C4 times 3C2 times 2C2 and 4C4 times 3C3 times 2C2. So press the calculator and you will get the answer is 44. Double check your answer. So there are many combinations. It's either number 1 or number 2 or number 3 or number 4 or number 5 or number 6. Now because of all, we have to plus. Alright? So if we are asking to find the shape, we can count the edges. Let's see. Here we have 3, 2, 2, 7. So 7 is heptagon, right? 7 is heptagon. So we count here 8. 8 is octagon. Here 8. We even have 9 nonagon. And then if 6, it will be hexagon. So there are many shapes. So we just write 1 hexagon. One of the possible polygon. So your answer can be hexagon, heptagon, octagon, or nonagon. Number 2, the answer is 4C2 multiplied by 3C2, right? So if your answer you show 4C2 multiplied by 3C2 multiplied by 2C2 or 4C3 multiplied by 3C2 multiplied by 2C2 or 4C3 multiplied by 3C3 multiplied by 2C2 or 4C2 multiplied by 3C3 multiplied by 2C2 or 4C4 multiplied by 3C2 multiplied by 2C2 or 4C4 multiplied by 3C3 multiplied by 2C2. You will be awarded 1 mark. If you plus 4C2, 3C2, 2C2 multiplied by each other, you plus 4C3 times 3C2 times 2C2 plus for C3 times 3, 3 times 2, C2, and plus with the 4C2 multiplied by 3C3 multiplied by 2C2 and plus 4C4 multiplied by 3C2 multiplied by 2C2 and plus 4C4 multiplied by 3C3 multiplied by 2C2. So the answer is 44 and it is an hexagon. So that is how the marks are awarded for the final answer, hexagon. That's answer for question number 2.